New package come. Just hoping it's what I believed. F4e is one of my absolute favorite cameras. The way it's set up, the big battery pack. When I bought mine new, or I bought it used. Why do I say new? It's very, very nice cameras in my eyes. So now I have to look over and check on different things. Maybe I'm going to sell my S model because I can't keep all this. I'm trying to get back to the cameras I had some years ago. I keep a little collection and not all the things I have now, but this one I think is one of the cameras that have to stand in my collection. Yeah, coming back with more.